Hello, doers, and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. This is part 3 of our Help Center series. Now, as we talked about before, the Help Center itself consists of 3 features, all of which integrate with the Helpdesk app. Today, we are going to take a closer look at the final part of our Help Center, knowledge. So, Odoo's knowledge application is a collaborative library where users can store, edit, and share information. That means that my team members can update this information and share it with my customers. But enough chit chat. Let's take a look at how we can share our knowledge with our help desk team, shall we? So at this point, you know the drill. We've been building something together and it's beautiful. So first, we have to enable the knowledge app on our help desk team. So once again, on our main dashboard, we're going to open up help desk, and then we need to find the team that we want. We select those 3 dots once again and select settings. Inside of here, we're going to make our way down once again to the help center area. Then I'm going to tick on this little checkbox right there next to the word knowledge. And when I do that, you'll notice a new field appears where I can actually select an article if I would like. Now, by default, Odoo provides me with a help article, so I'm going to select that now. And this is super nice of them. However, the article will still need to be filled with all the necessary information that I want to share with my customers. Odoo doesn't have a way yet to know all of that. For directions on how to do that and to learn more about all the cool things the Knowledge app can do, check out our documentation that's going to be linked in the description below. Now, in our case for this, I already added some info about Stealthy Wood, so let's see what we can do with it. So let's manually save up at the top, just because I'm paranoid, and we're going to select the Ticket Smart button. Let's pick one. Let's see. This one seems easy. I lost my instructions. Okay, so I got this ticket from a customer who happened to have lost their instructional manual. No biggie. We've all been there. I literally was there yesterday with this. Now, I know I've answered this question before about how to assemble it. So let's see how we can save some time here. I'm going to select our knowledge icon, which is represented by 2 bookmarks up in the top right corner. So once we select that, we have a nice little pop-up right here. And this is our knowledge search window. I'm going to start by typing in a phrase, assembly. And there we have it, assembly instructions. And then once that I find the article that I'm looking for, like I did just now, you click on it and we're taken there. Not only is the answer right here, but thanks to this template box that we have right there, we have the option to send it as a message, use it as a description, and copy it. I'm going to select the first one in this case because I don't actually want to copy this text to add it directly to my response to the customer. I want to just directly send it, and that's what makes it pretty nice. So this returns us over to our ticket form with a compose email pop-up window already open. And inside of here, I can add any additional information to customize this message if necessary. But honestly, I think this looks pretty good. So let's send it to the customer. We're going to hit send right there. And boom. Can we talk about the chatter? Because as soon as I click send, I can see the text of the message in the ticket chatter right here on the right side. That was super easy. But that's how knowledge works for my team. What does this look like for a everyday Joe, a customer, if you say? Well, let's go see that. So here we are on the Stealthy Wood website, and I think we should click over to our help page over here, and you'll notice there is the 3rd pillar over here. I can see all the Help Center features finally together all at once, and if I'm a customer, I can try my luck using the search bar at the very top if I'd like to, or I can select browsing articles for all the different things to do just that. Let's select, in our case, one of our nice little workspaces right there. Okay. When I select it, just like that, everything I need is right at my fingertips. And do you see how easy that was? We're back right where I just showed you that. Did you catch all of that? Of course you did. I know it was a marathon though, so in case you missed any of the Help Center videos, I'm going to link them in the description below. Until next time, thank you for watching. Go grab a snack. I have pretzels. I don't eat pretzels. I don't need them.